It's going to have a nice fruitiness to it, a little tart. Because it doesn't have the smoothness from the aging of the barrels, it's going to have a little more of a sharp acidity. This is a European red, most well known for having a black pepper spice on its finish. Lemberger is the name for the grape when it comes from Austria, but in Germany they call it Blaufränkisch. So Cabernet Sauvignon, this one's going to be a little more deep and earthy, and you're going to pick up more leather notes with a very dry, long tannin on the end. It's going to really dehydrate your mouth. And then you eat the carbonation and the low alcoholic level. To me, it kind of tastes like sparkling cranberry juice. It used to be made by the poor folk back in medieval times for the nobility. And then after they made wine for the nobles, there was no grape juice left for them. So we took, just like them, took the skins and rehydrated them. So it went from just the pressings, and this is around 70% water or more. And we got the last of the sugars and the juices from those leftover skins. And that's why it resulted in something that is much more less in alcohol. Because a regular wine is between like a 12 and a 13 in the alcohol scale most of the time. This being a 6.3 basically cuts that in half.
It's a beer.
Yeah. Or I like to call it a kombucha because it's more fruity.
It is very good.
Sparkling, and this is a different method. So this is a forced carbonation over the natural carbonation. So this is done via machine. It's going to have a little more of a sweetness to it. It's more similar in flavor to our semi-dry Riesling.
Good.
LI の14を右方向